Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S80, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. And once you find it, you can hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize a couple things. So we have priority only allowed, so here you can customize what will happen during this mode. So we can choose who can message you, who can call you. Also add repeated callers, 15-minute period thing, so someone calls you twice within that period, they will be able to bypass whatever you have selected right here. And we have reminders, events, as in sound notifications, and alarms, which you cannot change. Additionally, you have a schedule, which you can set up right here by tapping on add more, which will allow you to basically just set it up once, and you won't actually have to turn it on or off. The device will do it automatically for you at a given day of the week and time. So once you set it all up to where you want it here, if you want to turn it on manually, simply press on the toggle like so, and there we go, it's right now enabled. And if you decided to went with the schedule route, you actually don't need to do anything, it will turn on automatically. And to turn it off, simply press on the toggle once more. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.